Hey, welcome back to the Scale Model Experiment. This week we're going to do a review. If you use a Tamiya paint stand like this for your painting projects, I have a better solution to the problems that this thing has. Now, I'm not knocking the Tamiya paint stand. I've used this for many years. It's got crusty layers of paint on it. But what I've found lately is that I've had to use tape on the inside to mount the body and tape it to the inside because I would have bodies fall off of the paint stand. Also, you need to tape these two pieces together because this part will just fly off when you're, maneuvering the stand. So, yeah, it's time to put this one to bed. Enter the War Dog adjustable paint stand. Now these are a new product on the market, and it's fully adjustable for different widths and different widths this way. So let's try it out on a few bodies. I'll show you how it works. Okay, first thing we're going to try is a muscle car body. So set the width first, about right there. Let's tighten these two down. And then there's a thumb screw here that you can adjust with your thumb. Do the back first. And with one thumb holding the thing, tighten it down. Come to the front. Same thing. Tighten it down. Perfect. This thing is not going anywhere. It's the rubber holds the body nice and securely. Let's try another body. Loosen it up. This is a 3D printed McLaren. So we're going to adjust these a little bit. And see how it's an odd shape in here. So we can adjust it this way. Get it right on the doors. Back, all the way back as far as we can. Tighten it down. And tighten it down. It's not going anywhere. You have access to the rocker panels, the whole bottom of the car. No problem at all. And it's a good, secure fit. I don't have to worry about it falling off. It's nice and stable on its feet. And most importantly are the PZY resin kits. They have odd shapes inside in here, so you want something that holds a little better than this. Watch. See, I would tape it here and here, and it still moves around because it's heavy. Watch this. Back, tighten it down, use a little thumb screw, get it nice and tight, tighten it down, move to the front, that's not going anywhere. Would I do this with my $200 resin? No. Perfect. So when you get it in the mail, it actually comes in pieces. Really easy to assemble. Take all the pieces out and we'll assemble them together. put the odd shaped pieces together. Comes with a bag of screws and nuts. Idiot proof. For this one, just goes right through the bottom here, like this. And there's a slot here. I like to make them facing outwards. And just like that, it's ready. I think that Phillip, the designer, War Dog paint stands, I think he really knocked this one out of the park. It's nice and easy to assemble it, super easy to use, and so much better than this. So if you're using a coat hanger or a top of a bottle with some tape or a coat hanger, or I've seen many different things used for a paint holder, but this is like the Cadillac of paint stands. I think they're about 30 bucks. There's a link below where you can purchase this War Dog paint stand, and he also has one for planes, one for armor, and one other. Oh, ships. He has one for ships as well. So different, shapes and sizes. And another thing that you can use this for, it's not just for paint. I recommend getting 2 of them. Keep one for paint. If you mount the body on here, you can apply decals hands-free. You don't have to hold the body with one hand and then, apply decals. You have an extra hand. Just mount your body in here, put it down on the table, and you can use 2 hands. Good stuff. Highly recommended. Stop by War Dog and grab yourself one. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. You still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.